I'm gonna sneeze. Gosh darn.
Oh, I feel like I want to sneeze. I'm sneezing so much today. I think it's because I'm feeling chilly.
5 Nights at Freddy's. Hold on, I gotta sneeze. Oh. Oh. Achoo! 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 Ooh. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze. Woo, I'm about to sneeze. Achoo! 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 Sorry about that. I had to sneeze.
Hold on one second. I sneezed. Chat. Mosey, I sneezed.
Okay. Hey, no! That is probably the most aggressive sneeze I've ever had.
Oh, I'm gonna sneeze though. I'm gonna sneeze. I apologize.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo. やばい。Achoo. Oh my goodness. Yay! I'll be right back. Oh god, I got sneeze. I did not. I was hoping I could switch scenes fast enough. I just not fast enough. I have to find out. Blah. Ay, oopsie.
I had to sneeze, but I feel like it's not gonna come out. Never mind, it did. Oh my god, finally! For the first time! I can never sneeze! Well, that felt good. That one actually didn't really hurt. For once. Oh. Okay, I just need to talk through it and it comes out, I guess. Y'all don't know how happy that makes me, how many times I've had to sneeze and it just decides it doesn't want to come out.
Guys. Wait, guys. Okay. Everything's fine.
I think I need to sneeze. Wait. Oh no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh no. No. I'm dying. Thanks a lot. Oh no, I think there's another one coming. Wait. I'm dying. I'm dying.
I'll get grounded for a whole day, but
Uh.
it's way worth it 'cause
I need to sneeze again. Okay. Now, house sparrows have got a quite a... It is a house sparrow. I've got quite a sad story, so... Oh, I need to sneeze. I need to sneeze! Excuse me. Whew. I want no hamster comments. Thank you.
Gracias. Bien bonita yo, pero ya el último ya se me salió hasta el cerebro.
I literally, you guys are the reason that the Pocky Point economy is going up. Okay, actually not. Right. Yeah, you can join. Just give me a second. Ah, I sneeze. Okay.
Does not smile when you talk.
Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Thank you. Oh, Chris is on his way finally. Yeah, and then you guys can talk to Chris. You guys can play like Peppa Pig or something with Chris.
Allah, I might have to sneeze. I'm sorry. Oh God, sorry.
So, wait, I'm gonna sneeze. I'm okay.
I will rest soon. Don't push yourself. I try not to, but I promised that I would stream today, and I feel bad. I don't want to feel guilty, so I'm streaming, even if it hurts me.
Sneeze. Fuck. Okay. Oh no, I have to sneeze. Sorry.